Hello, everyone. We have built a replica of the Flipkart loan application as part of our inverse assignment. This is part of our Backend series where we teach how to create an e-commerce website. As you can see, this e-commerce site closely follows the Flipkart experience. We developed it ourselves without using any premium libraries. Everything is made from scratch using Node.js, JavaScript, and MongoDB. This is the application shown here. When we click on any product, we are taken to the product page. Here we can see detailed information about the product, including multiple images. Before adding a product to the cart, we need to select a size. After selecting a size, we can add the product to our cart. But to add a product to the cart, we must be logged in. Let's log in now. After logging in, we check if we can add a product to the cart. For this product, none of the sizes are available, so we cannot purchase it. We need to go back and choose another product. Now, the item is available, so we continue to buy 2 pairs of size 7 shoes. We move forward with the purchase. Now it asks for our details. After we fill in the required information, we can place our order. For this demonstration, we use a fake credit card to simulate a successful payment. The payment is processed successfully. Next, we go to the admin dashboard to view the orders. On the admin dashboard, we can see online trends. Since the website is only a day old, there are no trends yet. Even so, we can access the list of user orders. So far, we have received these orders. The most recent one is the order we just placed. It is currently marked as pending. The order ID is clearly shown. The customer's name and email ID are also visible. How many products are there? What is the total amount? What is the current status? We can see some details about this product. Right now, the product's status is order placed. Now, we update the status to shipped. Once the product is shipped, the payment status updates as well. Now, the product's status is shipped, and we can track the shipment. Here are the subdetails. We update the status to delivered. So the current status is delivered. We can also view the list of products. How many products are there? We have this many products. We can click on any product to see its details. For example, here are the details for the Nike black sneaker shoe. Let's look at this in more detail. If we click here, we can edit the details, update the sizes, charts, payments, and even the images. Let's change some details to see the updates. For example, this is a sports shoe. We add some random text and check if the price changes from 77 to 78. After saving the updated product details for this Nike black sneaker shoe, now priced at 78, we refresh the application. Upon refreshing, the new price of 78 appears, showing the update was successful. The description now says, "This is a sports shoe," which is what we entered. We can also view and edit the inventory and see the number of users on the website, including admins and test users. We can even see each user's history. For example, let's check this user's details. If the user does not exist, we can look at another user's details. If a user portal is not working, we can fix it. We can also make any user an admin. Finally, we can review and update other parts of the application. And with that, our review is complete. Now everyone can see the review. That ends the demonstration, but there is one more thing to show. This is not just a website, but also a tutorial for users. Right now, it is hosted on Vercel. Let's see how the website works. This is the local version of the site, running on port 3001. As you can see, it is the same as the live version. We have designed it as a simple portal. This section shows the benefits of the course. You get access to a real e-commerce website, similar to Shopify. While it is not as large as Shopify, it is completely free and helps you understand the tech stack and edge cases of the site. You can add this knowledge to your public portfolio. The site uses React 18, TypeScript, Tailwind, White, Framer Motion, React Router, and React Queries. This is a complete curriculum. The website is live and indexed in the Google Search Console. You can search for the website on Google and it will show up in the results. The site includes a Microsoft tool that lets us see how many users are online at any time. Based on this, we can also view recordings. This is a useful resource we offer. Here is a live recording, showing exactly what people are doing on the website. This is a live view, showing how it can navigate whenever needed. These are some of the advanced features of this website. The database used is MongoDB, which stores all addresses in one table. Other tables are for card sets, categories, inventory, orders, payment intents, and products. All products and reviews are stored here. Also, whenever users do anything, they get an email notification. This email window is shown here, giving live email updates to users as they browse the website. This email feature is a key part of the application. That is the end of our demo. We hope you found it helpful and interesting. If you want to learn how to build a website or portal like this, please reach out to us. We are currently live on Edutainverse. As an early-stage startup, we have a website focused on teaching people. Our website is completely free, with no charges. You do not need to pay anything to learn from us. We have a webinar scheduled for tomorrow where you can join and learn everything. This is part of our assignment demo. Please note, not all major links are working. We have only developed the important parts since this was a backend development portfolio. In our next call, we will show you 3 code bases. Thank you all. We will stay in touch.